What's good, gang? We back at it with Big Red. Got some front rotors, brake pads, CV axles, auto tie rods, and hubs. We changing. The back looking like so far.
It looks like you lost another one.
Changing the front brakes, rotors, hubs, CV axle, lower control arms, auto tie rods. First step, need a 34mm socket. You take the CV axle nut off. This is 13? Yeah, take the caliber off, 13mm. Take the supporter bracket bolts off, is a 15. Take that off, then you're looking like this. And I believe the hub is a 13 or 15. It's 3 bolts. My CV axle out. Take that one screw out from my lower control arm. All the tie rods out, hub, you know, everything. My sprayed is red, I don't know, red or black. I think.
You lost another one.
17mm. Now they take the 17 out, give it a few love taps.
Gotta do a little harder, buddy. A little harder. I felt good. I'm like, damn, I'm really tapping this thing. After them hits, I'm like, alright, hold up. That's what made me get up. Let me put the wool mac on.
Put that Womack on. You hear me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna say 5.5. You always want to count your threads. Let me take them off. This is still gonna be wrong as fuck anyway. Once you take that out, what's the name it up? Push your CV axle out. Take that lower control bolt out, screw, and I gotta get it, what you call it. I don't know what the name of the screw is, but I have it, but I don't have it with me. So, of course, this is the reason why you want to use them cotter pins. Look how loose this bolt was, I guess. Look at that. So without the cotter pin, that shit would have came off, and lower control arm would have snapped off, and it would have been ugly sight. So make sure when you're reinstalling parts with the cotter pins, make sure you put that cotter pin back in. There's an 18. Take that out. Oh shit. How this look? Took a wire brush and stuff this bitch down. I'm thinking about going black or red. Might red this bitch out. Pull the CV axle out. Put that on and make it a mess right there. CV axle in. A busy day today. Busy day today, you know. So, but I got some work done. CV axles, outer tie rod. I know for sure I'm gonna change this rack. So, but that'll be another time. So. How we looking now with the drill slotted in the front. New lower control arms, outer tie rods, new CV axle. Tell everybody so what's up. No, you ain't gonna say nothing? No, she whack. Don't even go to her channel. Cause that's what you gonna get, whackness. Whackness, don't even holler on my channel, but it's all good. Got the drill slide in the rear, calipers painted, trailing arm painted also, well repainted.
And you got a spider web on your car.
Yep. So next, I'll be changing, let me see, what am I changing? Radiator hoses, water pump, window motors. Got the regulator motor. Change that. Shake back.